we will just see. So take a one project. That project is called, the use case is called sports shop. So I will tell you the what is exactly the problem. So there is a one sports shop is there. Okay? So where they are having a lot of sports equipments. The products are goods are there. So what happens? So they are getting the daily stock. Daily a new stocks are coming. So daily a new, every day there is some new stock coming to the sports shop. So what the owner has to do? So how can we identify whether it is a new or not? Let us go to the website. Here, if you go to the botsdna.com, navigate, and if you see the shop, is a product. So the product name, product code, and what is the price and location. Where from where it is arrived. I have two pages. One is the products and one is the schools. So products, if you scroll down, we can find wherever there is a red array, this product is this product. Okay. So today arrived product. This is another one. Wherever you can see the location is the color is changed, the red, that is called today's products. Today's product is this one. So every day it may contain 3 products, 10 products, any number of products, it will come to this page. So shop basically. So how can we identify the product is new or not based on the color? Now, what the shop owner has to do? The shop owner, every day, whatever the new products come into this shop, he will send the offers and discounts to the valid customers, a priority customers. Okay, the email body looks like this one. The email body contains the attachment. That attachment contains what is the product. Let's open this email body. I'm just opening this sample email HTML. PDF. So here, your school, this is a school name. And what is the percentage? The percentage is not common for each and every school. It is again, there is some logic behind that. So each school, they are not giving the common discount. Okay, this is the product number 1. What is the product code, name and code, and this is the actual price. If you want to see, I'm zooming it. Okay, this is the offer price. The second product. So they have to. So the owner is creating this type of PDFs for each and every school. So because why we are just the priority customers is a school, because there is a PT master. So they are just suggesting to the schools. Oh, voice is breaking. So let me.
Yeah. Actually, I'm getting many messages in my WhatsApp also. I think we will try without earphones.
Yeah. So what about now? So is it fine now? So I just removed that. Just let me go here. Stop the Bluetooth. Yeah. Is it fine now? It is still echo.
I think you can go ahead, Sudhir. If anything is coming, we'll continue. But it is better now.
Oh, okay. It's better now. Okay.
I will. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I'm off in the chat. Thank you. Go ahead.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay. So the owner is doing this one. So this PDF. So every day, different type of products are coming. Different type of information are there. And also the offers like this, they will prepare the PDF and they will send to the customer. That's who is customers basically. Who are the customers? The school basically. The school having a school. You can see in the screen there is 2 tables. The 2 tables are here. If you see the schools, these are all the school information, school code, school name, and what is the strength. Okay, and here we have only strength. How many number of students are there? So if you just download, I'm just creating the one folder. So here I am downloading an Excel. Okay, something is, yeah, so basically I have Excel, so I will just modify that one. Okay. This is Excel. This Excel will download. Okay. This Excel contains two sheets. This Excel contains two sheets. So one is the first one is a school database, that contains the school code. What is a PT email, administrator email, principal email, director email. So the school code is a key. Basically, if you can see in the PT, there is a two things, right? One is the school information, having the partial information, not having the emails, and the second part table contains the email IDs. So what is the relation? Relation is the like a first column, the key, school code. Okay, so based on the school code, so we have to join those two tables. Based on the school code, we have to join those two tables and prepare a single table with a school code, school name, school strength, PT email, administrator email, principal email, director email. Okay, so because we have to send an email, right? So while we are sending an email, there is another logic called what is a priority? Which priority we have to send? The priority is like I said, if the PT email is available, if you see here, email is available, let's take the PT email. The PT email is not available, go for the administrator email. The administrator email is available, just pick that one. If that is also not available, in this case, see here, in this case, these two are not available. Then the robot has to go to the principal email. If the three are not available, just go for the direct email. Okay, this is one logic they are following. So the sports shop owner is following. So because if PT master email is available, so he will pick and he will send the offers PDF to that particular email. So let us see. Another thing is like so offers is not same for all the schools. It is based on the strength of the school. You can see where is the strength. You see the same Excel offers. So size from size 2. If the strength of the students is between 1 to 200, then we are giving the 10% of discount for all products. That means whatever the product is today is available. Okay. So if between these two is there 15, like that they may change anytime. That facility is there. Okay. So then let's go here. What is the problem? So he's doing every day to send multiple emails, multiple schools about the latest products, today's products, and sending the offers based on the school strength. But the owner and worker is Suresh. This Suresh is spending more than a half day daily to send an emails, this kind of emails. That is a problem. I hope you all understand the problem.